Most YouTube channels fail for one simple reason. They upload videos, but they never build the system behind the videos. The thing is, when the system is built correctly, one idea can turn into traffic, revenue, and a channel that grows consistently. In this video, you'll see the full faceless YouTube system, from idea to income. Everything you've seen in the previous videos is part of this system. Now you're going to see how those pieces connect. Here is the entire workflow. An idea is researched. The idea becomes a structured script. The script becomes a faceless video. The video attracts viewers. Those viewers follow a repeatable workflow. And that workflow produces income. Once this structure is in place, every video strengthens the same machine. Let's walk through how each stage connects. The first stage is idea selection. Instead of guessing what to publish, the process begins with research. Topics are chosen based on real search demand, so the video has an audience before it is even created. This removes one of the biggest risks most creators face. And that is publishing videos that nobody is looking for. The second stage is script creation. The script organizes the information so the viewer immediately understands what they will gain from watching. Clear structure prevents confusion, and that keeps the viewer moving forward. The third stage is faceless video production. Instead of filming on camera, the script becomes a visual explanation using screen recordings, graphics, diagrams, and narration, or voiceover. This allows videos to be produced consistently, without you ever needing to appear on screen. The fourth stage is packaging. The thumbnail and title communicate the promise of the video. When the promise is clear and visually simple, viewers instantly understand why the video is worth clicking. The fifth stage is retention. Once the viewer clicks, the structure of the video keeps them watching. Clear explanations, visible examples, and logical flow prevent early drop-off. Now something important happens. The viewer has learned a process. And when people learn a process, they naturally want to repeat it. That leads to the next stage. Workflow connection. The video demonstrates the method, and the description provides the tools used in that method, so that the viewer can immediately follow the same steps. Here's what that looks like in practice. A viewer watches a video explaining how to research YouTube ideas. The video demonstrates the research process. The research tool used in the process is listed in the video description. The viewer clicks the tool and repeats the same method. That simple pathway is what connects the content to monetization. Instead of interrupting the viewer with promotions, the video simply shows how the workflow works. The final stage is monetization. When viewers choose to use the same tools that are demonstrated in the workflow, those tools generate revenue. The viewer learns a process, the process requires tools, and the tools create your income pathway. At this point, your channel begins operating very differently. Each new video you produce enters the same structure. Ideas lead to scripts. Scripts lead to videos. Videos attract viewers. Viewers follow the workflow. And the workflow produces income. Instead of hoping one video goes viral, the channel grows through repeatable structure. 10 videos will definitely feed the system. 50 videos will strengthen that same system. Each new video increases the reach of the entire channel. And this is why faceless channels built on simple workflows scale so effectively. The creator is not relying on constant creativity. They are operating a repeatable process. And once that process works, the next challenge appears. Growth. Because the goal is not just publishing videos endlessly. The goal is expanding the system without turning the channel into a full-time job. Now that you've seen the entire system, the next step is learning how to grow it without burning out. In the next video, you'll see how to scale a faceless channel without burning out. Watch that next.